getting it, boys. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
What's cracking, riders? If you've been following my posts and my videos, I have gotten my 2020 Honda Fury the More Mafia ECU Flash. And what does that mean? It means that I have finally unlocked the power to this bike. This is something that I have been wanting to do for quite some time and finally pulled the trigger on. And I am so excited to go and take this thing for a ride, show you guys how much more power it has, if it has more power, because I don't really know. I haven't taken it for a ride yet, but we're going to be learning that in this video. But before I go and take it for a ride, I need to show you guys the, if not obvious, between my legs, the other upgrade that I have done to this motorcycle to complement that tune. So let me show you guys right quick. So the other modification that I got on this bike is the Freedom Performance 2-in-1 Combat Full Exhaust System. Now with it being a 2-in-1, it complements the ECU by adding more horsepower and torque to it. So it's just going to be an all-around power upgrade, especially with the Cobra PowerFlow air intake system. This is going to also complement the exhaust, so it's all one big bundle of power for your Fury. So all in all, with this thing having the Cobra PowerFlow air intake system, the Combat 2-in-1 exhaust, and the More Mafia ECU tune, I'm hoping to get at least 10 to 20 more horsepower and torque, but I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's gear up, and let's go for a ride.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Honda Fury with the More Mafia tune. Let's roll. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God, dude. This is a whole different bike. Oh my God, that response. I should have gone with this tune a long time ago when I first read about it. When these guys first started flashing the ECUs, I should have done it. Wow, that is an entirely different bike. Holy smokes, with this 2-in-1 pipe that I've got on it, this is no joke, man. For a Honda Fury, this is something. And that response is butter smooth too, my goodness. The roll-on is less jerky. It's nice and smooth since they did the decel fuel cut. Like they disabled that. I mean, you can get it on the bike right off of the rip. Wow, that is something. And I am loving it. It's a whole 35 degrees out right now, but I'm out here riding for y'all because that's what I do for my riders. You know what I'm saying? I do this for the love of the game. Yo, I'm having too much fun right now. And with the risers that I put on, man, my arms are comfortable. It's like my body's trying to pull back so my arms are straighter because they're like, that's what they're used to, you know what I mean? But like I gotta kind of retrain my brain. Holy shit. We getting it, boys. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. This is too much fun. Man, these pipes sound great for a 2-in-1. At idle, dude, it sounds like it's damn near stock. But when you roll on it, these got some thunder. These are thunderous, baby. I like it. I like this a lot. What a combo that I should have done a long time ago. The 2-in-1 pipes, the Cobra PowerFlow airflow system, and the More Mafia ECU tune. Man, this is a triple threat for the Honda Fury right here, baby. This is legit. Wow. This like unlocked the torque at low speeds, like going from like third to fourth. That's some real shit right there. That's real. That's some good stuff right there. Pop, pop, bang, boy. Yo, I'm having too much fun with this. I don't even care that I'm freezing cold right now, man. This is just too fun. a fourth. This thing rips. Holy smokes, man. This thing rips. This is just awesome. This is so much fun. Just when I thought this bike couldn't get any more fun, I do this thing, and man, this is just great. This is awesome. I'm so happy right now, y'all. I really am. Yeah, getting on the throttle is still really smooth, too. It's not, like, overly sensitive, but it's more sensitive than, like, stocker when I had the FI 200R in it. And even the Power Commander. Like, this blows all of it out of the water. 110% recommend this. Alright, boys, let's get it. Fourth. 75. Fifth. Yeah, boy. We doing 80, no problem in this bitch. Yeah, boy. I'm comfortable as fuck. We out here doing 80 highway speeds. I hope to God there ain't a cop behind me. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about right here. And we got lots to give still, baby. Yeah. That is what I'm talking about. I am just having too much fun. I don't even know what to say. I'm just having too much fun with this. And that just response from the throttle, man. That is just, this thing wants to just push you in like the best way. It's still very controllable, but it's just like, you want more power, you got more power. But it's not overly crazy about it, you know what I'm saying? This thing is no torque monster. You know, this ain't no like turbo, but it's damn near a turbo, I'll tell you that. So if you've been considering getting the more Mafia tune or a stage 1 upgrade on your Honda Fury, take it from me and take it from this video. Go get it right now. Man, you'll be having just as much, if not more fun than I'm having right now. And I'm telling you, I'm having a lot of fun. So yeah, let's take it back to the garage and wrap up this video.
And that, my fellow riders, is the Honda Fury with the ECU flash from More Mafia. This thing rides so much more powerful, better. It's like just when you think you can't do anything more to this bike, something comes out and it's just like, it's just insane. I fell back in love with this motorcycle, and it's just crazy. It's so smooth. It handles so well, especially with the 2-inch risers on it. I'll do a more in-depth video on that as well. But yeah, this thing is just, it's a torquey beast now. It's not like super duper rip off the line crazy, but it's way more than what you're gonna get with a Power Commander. It's more than what you're gonna get with the FI 2000R or 200R. To this day, I still can't get it right. But yeah, especially complementing it with the 2-in-1 system, it gave it, honestly, it gave it a stage 1 upgrade. That's more or less a Harley Davidson thing. It's more known in their motorcycle world, but it can be done on a Honda Fury, as proven by the Esoteric Rider. You're welcome. I promise you, I'm not that egotistical. But anyway, I absolutely enjoyed making this video for you guys. Riding in the 30-degree weather kind of sucked, but as long as you got the right layers, the cold isn't so bad. But this is what I do for the love of the game and the love for my riders. You know what I'm saying? I do this for you guys. I love it. I love it each and every time. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Support your local veteran. And when you ride, be safe and ride free. Peace out. Wow, I could go for a hot chocolate right now because I am cold.